You! Live here!
Jesus. Who be this one?
So just because of say they banish me for this community, you go use my papa property, they claim say you dey wealthy.
I know you be for who?
Eh?
Jesus. You respect yourself. Who be this one now?
You don't know me again? You don't know me?
Shukuma. Your evil atrocities what you doing they banish you. You don't see come again.
See,
eh? You don't see come again.
Make I tell you, eh? Everything wey you do me, now I want to take back everything wey you don't collect from my papa.
You not go work for year.
You say anything?
You not go work for year.
You say anything?
Now your evil way you deny me the banish you come out for this community.
Aye.
After how many years you still come back to this place again? Eh?
Me?
You still come back to this place again?
Me? Eh? See, I don't serve my banishment finish. And true to God, eh? I don't come to collect all that my papa property wey claim. Wetin I go do you? Eh?
You get that.
Wetin I go do you?
Get that power.
Me?
You get that power.
You say me I get that power?
You
Me?
see your prickles, you dey okay so guy. Hey Jesus.
You say what I do? Wetin I go do you? Wetin I go do you?
Now, this land when I take from your people, now you come back to collect back from me, and you think I go allow you. I tell you, say I be wicked man, you not agree. Eat this thing now, go back to where you come from. I said, go back to where you come from. 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 Go back to where you come from.
Every of my papa wealth, I'll take it back from you.
You don't have the power again now.
Me?
I've silenced you. I've silenced you forever. Now enter the forest and go back.
I dey go back.
Come this side.
I dey go back.
Come here. Hey. Come here.
I can't take this anymore.
Bye. To the land of see me no more. I'm a wicked man.
Like and subscribe.